Doing the water pump and fan clutch on a 94 Ford here. It's got the 4.9 liter in it. And I know that they say on the forums you need the special wrenches to get all that stuff off, but I'm not paying to rent them and I don't own any. So what you start out doing, get your fan off, loosen it up from the back of this guy, take a Sawzall with a steel blade and just start cutting right along here, right in between where this guy goes on and where that clutch sits. Eventually you'll get through it and the whole deal will fall out the bottom of the truck. I couldn't get this nut off, so I just took a grinder and just started cutting until it was all the way through and I could just hit it with a punch and knock it off. Get your lower rad hose out. I don't remember where I put that, but in any case, get your lower rad hose out. Drain the coolant, try not to make a big mess like I did. Helps if you got a garage. And then at that point, you're looking at 4 bolts along here, and that's the water pump out. So we've got the pump off now. One thing to note when you're doing it, see if the camera will show it here or not. There's your cylinder wall. You see how those 2 bolt holes in the top and the right line up with it. Make sure you mark where your bolts go. As far as I understand, there's 2 that are longer, and if you put them in there, you will bugger up your cylinder wall. Don't do that. Just take your time and make sure you know where they go. Okay guys, we got it all finished up. Went ahead and put some RTV gasket on the paper side, or on both sides of the paper gasket. Stuck that guy in there, put some thread sealer or RTV or whatever on the bolts because they do go into the water jacket. I found it helpful to put the pulley on to the water pump and put the serpentine belt on first and then try to put the fan on. I assembled the fan before I stuck it on there and just spun it on there. That is a pain in the butt, beware. And I just used some channel locks to tighten it up. So hopefully that holds tight enough, and if it doesn't, then I will take this video down and edit it and tell you not to do that. So if this video is still up, then it worked. So otherwise, this is all finished up. Just gotta clean up. So there you have it, guys. That's how you do it without the special tools. One other thing I'd like to note, when you pick out your Sawzall blade, don't be a cheap ass. This is a Diablo steel blade. It's got carbide teeth. It's about 20 bucks, but it's worth it. I used 1 blade and it's still plenty sharp after I'm done cutting through. That piece you gotta cut is solid steel. You'll go through 100 of the cheap ones. Just buy one that's good.